Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get backup Steam Guard recovery codes. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once the settings window opens, look over to the left panel where you'll find several menu categories. Click on Security. This section is crucial as it houses all your account protection features, including Steam Guard, which is Steam's two-factor authentication system that helps keep your account secure from unauthorized access. Now, within the security section, you'll see an option that says Manage Steam Guard. Click on it to access your Steam Guard settings. This is where you can configure how Steam Guard protects your account and manage important security features like backup codes, which can save you if you ever lose access to your primary authentication method. Next, you'll want to click on Get Backup Codes. This feature is essential because these codes act as a safety net. If you ever lose your phone or can't access your Authenticator app, these backup codes will allow you to regain access to your account without getting locked out permanently. After clicking this option, Steam will send an SMS code directly to the phone number linked to your account. This is an additional security measure to verify that it's really you requesting these sensitive backup codes. Check your phone for the incoming text message with the verification code. Once you receive the SMS code, enter it in the designated field on your screen. Right beside this field, you'll see a button that says Generate Codes Now. Click on it and Steam will create a set of unique backup codes for your account. Make sure to save these codes in a secure location like a password manager or a physical document stored safely, as you'll need them if you ever lose access to your primary authentication method. And there you have it. You've successfully generated your Steam Guard backup codes, giving you an important safety measure for your account security. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.